Hello guys, welcome to BlinkNBuild. In this video, I will tell you how to connect fingerprint sensor R307S with Raspberry Pi 4B. The components required are fingerprint sensor, that is R307S. As you can see, this is the sensor, and the Raspberry Pi 4B, and here is the Raspberry Pi 4B. So the wiring connections are like you need to mainly use the four wires of the fingerprint sensor, that is red, black, yellow and green. And the connection of red is connected to 3.3 volt, and black connected to ground, and yellow and green as shown in the figure. So here is the detailed connection diagram of the circuit, and here is the connection diagram table. So VCC you connect it to pin 1, 3.3 volt, ground you can connect it to any ground pin, and TX, that is yellow, connected to pin 8, and RX, green, connected to pin 8. So how to set up in the Raspberry Pi? So initially you need to type this sudo raspi-config, and it will ask for interface option, serial port, login shell accessible over serial, click no, then serial port hardware enabled, click yes. Then you have to reboot the Raspberry Pi. After rebooting, verify UART is active. So type this in the Pi and it will show exist. And coming to the next, you have to install the dependencies. You need to run this line: pip install Adafruit CircuitPython Fingerprint Pillow Break System Packages. Then all the things will be installed. Then download the file capture fingerprint.py. It is here only. Download this file capture fingerprint.py. After download, run using Python 3 capture fingerprint.py. Then it will ask for place finger on sensor. Once you place the finger, image captured, data length you will get, and packed raw saved as fingerprint raw 4bit.bin, and image will be saved as fingerprint.png. So fingerprint.png, it will be having 8-bit grayscale PNG, 256 cross 288 pixel. So it is easy for human readable. For machine learning and other things, you can use the fingerprint raw 4bit.bin. It will be helpful. And here is the troubleshooting. You can go through it. The link of the repo will be in the description. Thank you for watching, guys.